had it all. And every time the thunder pounds, I start to lose my ground. And I laugh at how I still worry now. Even though I don't need you, I still freak out when I think of the words I didn't say when we were standing in the rain. And every time I close my eyes when it's storming outside, I think of when you and I said our goodbyes after all of those lies. But when the dark clouds clear, you'll still have me near. Can't deny those feelings that come when I hear rain stopping the calmness that it brings, and then the crickets start to sing. Brings me back to the memory of that pain when we were standing in the